A carpet shop. देख रहे हैं
Yoğuruk var, kırmızı, Sivas. Hemen kapının arkasında. Bunlar getiriyor.
Ne diyeyim gözüküyor?
The carpets are made here.
And all silk is made. This is silk. These are cocoons. They make silk from that.
Oh, lovely. Silk cocoons right there. The silken thread. Beautiful carpets hanging around.
Government subsidized place, and we have a huge collection of genuine handmade rugs. As I said, its weaving tradition is our cultural heritage passing down to generation for thousands of years. What makes them so popular? What are the specialties of them? Like each country are famous for something. This weaving tradition is what we are world famous for thousands of years. Turkish rugs are made of three natural fibers, silk, wool, and cotton, and used by natural colors, many different plants we get the colors, special Turkish double knotting technique. These are all specialties of Turkish rugs. So here I would like to first show you the way we get the silk from the cocoon. This is important because natural silk is very special material, the most precious, the most expensive, strongest natural fiber in the world it is. Sabahat Hanım buraya gelsin söyle Mehmet Bey. Now, so after this, then he needs to put at least 50-60 cocoon together, and it's going to be the way he is going to be able to unroll it easily without breaking the threads. And then we spin it here. So it takes about 2 hours to finish all the silk from the cocoon. Clean it.
Yeah, it's thicker, right? So
It is, well, we have merino wool, which is not thick, which is very fine.
okay.
So if you're thinking something for floor, the woolen are the best,
Yeah.
and they're very easy to clean, and the natural colors never fade. They never bleach the colors. That's why natural colors, good material. So the lanolin is a natural oil in the wool. It gives you beautiful. Now you know what is the difference between real things, real work of art, or just floor covering. Well, that's China, and one more BT. That is a lovely one. Yakınlaştıralım, çevirelim, bir şeyler yapalım böyle. And this is gorgeous.
Bathroom. Very well decorated. Very nice.
Rent कर लो आप basically. Electric motor cycle. Rent कर लो. जितने मिनट यूज करोगे उतने के हिसाब से आपको